In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in your Gmail account. This is a useful feature if you're looking to customize your email experience in a preferred language, whether for personal comfort or practicing a new language. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first want to open your browser and go to the Gmail website. You can do this by typing in www.gmail.com in the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you directly to the Gmail login page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail interface. Now, we're going to locate the settings by moving your cursor up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon, which represents settings. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, look for and click on See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page, which contains a host of customizable options. On the settings page, keep your attention on the top tab labeled General. This is usually the first tab you're directed to, but just in case, click on it to make sure. Once you're in the General settings, you'll notice several options. The first section you'll see is Language. By default, Gmail is typically set to English or the default language of your region. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Gmail Display Language. Click on this menu, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of language options. Scroll through the list to find your desired language. Once you locate it, click on it to select it. For example, if you're changing it to Spanish, look for Español and select it. After selecting the desired language, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. It's crucial to save your changes, or your new language settings won't be applied. Once you hit save, Gmail will refresh automatically, and you'll notice the interface will shift to the language you've chosen, making for a seamless transition. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in your Gmail account. With these changes, your Gmail interface now matches your language preference, enhancing your email management experience. It's as simple as that, but if you ever decide you want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Enjoy your newly tailored Gmail experience.